Hey there, business owners. Let's talk floors because let's face it, yours are getting absolutely hammered every single day. Whether you're running a bustling office building, a crazy busy commercial kitchen, a nonstop factory, or even a massive sports stadium, your floors are taking a serious beating. Now, you've probably heard about epoxy floors, right? Sure, they sound great on paper, but here's the thing, they're kind of like that friend who looks perfect but has some serious issues. We're talking toxic fumes that'll knock your socks off, cracking that makes your floor look like a dried up desert, surfaces so slippery they're basically ice rinks when wet, and cure times so long you might as well close shop for a week. But here's where things get exciting. Lifetime green coatings just flip the script completely. We've got this incredible next generation coating that gives you all the toughness you need without any of the drama. Picture this, completely odorless installation, no gas masks required. Our eco-friendly formula goes down fast, so you're back in business in no time. And whether you're dealing with the chaos of a commercial kitchen or the heavy traffic of a sports stadium, this coating laughs in the face of whatever you throw at it. Bottom line, your floors work harder than a coffee shop barista on Monday morning. Give them the protection they deserve with lifetime green coatings, durable, safe, and actually good for the planet too. Ready to upgrade? Get your free quote today and kiss those floor problems goodbye.